Hello students, today is chapter 6, Be My Multiples, I Will Be Your Factors. In last classes we discussed about factor. So what is factor? A factor is a number by which we can exactly divide other number without leaving any remainder. It is factor. Then see, after that we discuss about common factor. What are the common factors? And after common factor, we find out HCF of given number. Means highest common factor of 2 or 3 given number. जो भी हमारे पास 2 नंबर या 3 नंबर दिए थे, उनका हमने HCF means highest common factor find out किया था. Now it is today's class. It is also about what? It is also about our factors. But it is about what? Factor tree. So do you know what is the name of factor tree? Dear students, you know tree. Tree is what? What is this? What is tree? Tree is one plant that grow from ground toward up, and it has branches. It spread like branches are spread like this. So in that design, only in that way we have to find out today factors of given number. उसी तरह के डिजाइन में उसी तरह के मेथड से अभी आज हमें इस कुछ नंबर के फैक्टर बनाने हैं, फैक्टर फाइंड आउट करने, इस फैक्टर ट्री बनाना है. तो सी क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द फैक्टर्स ऑफ फॉलोइंग नंबर्स. फाइंड द फैक्टर्स ऑफ फॉलोइंग नंबर. कुछ जो नंबर दिए इन नंबर का फैक्टर्स निकाल ले बेटा. चलिए, व्हाट इज दिस नंबर? 32. तो सी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर लाइक दिस 32. सी then here we have to write number. The multiplication of these two numbers should be this 32. ऐसे दो नंबर अभी यहाँ लिखना है कि इन दोनों का नंबर जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे दैट आवर प्रोडक्ट शुड बी 32. तो सी इट विल बी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 1 into 32. 1 into 32. नेक्स्ट 1 into 32. नेक्स्ट अगेन सी 2 into it is 16. 2 into 16. And see next it is 2 into 8. And then see it is 2 into 8. And then it is 2 into 4. 2 into 4. And see again it is 2 into 2. 2 into 2. So see 1 into 32 it is 32. 2 into 16 it is 32. 2 into 8 it is what? 32. 2 into 8 it is 16. And then 2 into 4 it is 8. And 2 into 2 it is 4. So this way this is the picture of factor tree of given number 32. Okay? See, now next number it is 36. What is this next number? It is 36. What is this number? Next number? It is 36. See, it is 1 and 36. First step is 1 and 36. Next क्या होगा बेटा? See, it is 2 and it is 18. 2 and 18. Next, it is 2 and 9. 2 and 9. Next, it is 3 and 3. 3 and 3. So this way, see, it is 36. 1 into 36. 36 1 is 36. Then 2 into 18. It is 18 to the 36. Then 2 into 9. 9 to the 18. And see, it is 3 3s are 9. 3 into 3 is 3 3s are 9. So like this, it is factor tree of 36. Next, $60. This number is 60. Here we can find out it is 60. See, 1 into 60. 1 into 60. नेक्स्ट 2 क्या होगा बेटा? नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा? 2 into 30. 2 into 30. नेक्स्ट 3 into 10. 3 into 10, and then see it is 2 into 5. 2 into 5. 60, 1 into 60, 2 into 30, 3 into 10, and 2 into 5, like that. Okay? So these are the factors of 60. But see, again we can find out the same factor of same number by different way. As you see, it is 60. Then see it is 1 into 60, 1 into 60. Then see it is, you can write this 10 into 6 into 10. Then 6 के factor beta 2 and 3, and here it is 2 and 5. Like this also you can find out. Yes. One more way is there. One more different answer is here. See, 60. It is 1 into 60. Then see, it is 4 into 15. Then again, it is 2 into 2. And see, it is 3 into 5. 3 into 5. So like this, these are the factors of 60. Okay? Next example is our number 90. Next example क्या है अपना? Number 90. See, क्या होगा बेटा फिर? Factors of 90. Factors of 90. See, it is 190. 90 ones are 90. Then see, it is 2. It is 45. 2 and 45. See next, it is 3 and 15. And see, it is 3 and 5. 3 and 5. See, 90. 1 into 90. 2 into 45. 3 into 15. And 3 into 5. 3 into 5. So this way, these are the factors of 90. Again, the factors of 90, again we can find out by different way. See, 90, it is what? 1 into 90. Then see, here we can write 3 into 30. 3 into 30. Then see, 3 into 10. And then see, it is 2 into 5. 2 into 5. Like that, again we can find out the factors of 90. See, again a different way is there. 90. See, it is 1 into 90. Then directly you can write like this, 6 into 15. Then see, 2 into 3. And it is 5 into 3. It is 5 into 3. So like that you can find out the factors of here 90 in by different way. Next number is 42. Our next number is 42. See, it is 42. It is 42. See, what is this? 1 and 42. 1 and 42. Then next, 1 and 42. See, it is 2 and 21. 2 and 21. So it is 3 and 7. 3 and 7. But 42. 1 into 42, 42. 2 into 21, 42. And 3 into 7, 21. So these are the factors of now here 42. Now see, one more answer is here. It is 42. 1 into 42. Next 1 into 42. See, it is 6 into 7. And see, it is 2 into 3. 2 into 3, like that. The 42, 1 into 42, 6 into 7, and then again 2 into 3, it is 6. Any other different answer? See, it is 42, 1 into 42, then see 3 into 14, 3 into 14, and then again see it is 7 into 2, we are 2 into 7. 2 into 7. So this way we can find out the factors of the given number in different way. We can make them the factor tree of the same number in different way here. So don't think that it is, if someone find this one and someone find this one, it does not mean that this one is wrong and this one is right. See, all these three are correct here. Okay. Now next number is 105. Next number is 105. It is 105. See, 105. 1 into 105. 1 into 105. Next, 1 into 105. Then it is 1, it is 5 into 21, 5 into 21, and it is 3 into 7. 3 into 7, like that. So 105, 1 into 105, 5 into 21, 3 into 7. 3 into 7. So see, this one more answer is here. 105, 1 into 105. नेक्स्ट क्या होगा? देखिए 7 into 15, 7 into 15, and then here it is 3 into 5. 3 into 5. So this way, this is the factor tree of 105. And now next number, it is our 91. 91. See, 1 into 91. 1 into 91, and next it is 7 into 30. In this number, there is only this one way. Yeah, this is only one answer of this factor tree of the 91. There is no any other other than this answer. यहाँ पर 91 का जो आपका और कोई आंसर नहीं होगा बेटा. It is only one factor tree. Okay. See, 91. अब दोनों both are the prime number here. So here there will be again 1 into 7, and here again will be 1 into 13. So there are no more factors here. So only this way, that is the only one way of the factor tree of this 91. 91 की जो factor है उसका only यहाँ पर एक ही तरीका है. Okay? So this is today's class about our factor tree. Means, see, factor tree means what? The factors are spreading like that, branches here. So it is looking like the tree. So its name is factor tree. Okay? So dear students, this is only for today's class. In next class, we will learn about multiples, how to find out multiples, and then the relation between the multiples and factors. Okay? Thank you.